morning, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ. Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Lorenzo Ruiz and companions, the first Filipino martyr. Before I was assigned here, I was assigned in Binondo, at the parish of Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary and the National Shrine and Mother Basilica of San Lorenzo Ruiz. Actually, yung history about him, it's quite limited. And most of the things about him were written by the late Father Villaruel, a Dominican historian. And we were given the opportunity to visit Nagasaki, and still we have a limited history of Saint Lorenzo Ruiz. Ganun pa man po, we know that he was married, he had 3 children. He was wrongly accused. That's why he left the Philippines to join the Dominican missionaries. Ang isa po ay yung pagpupursigi ni San Lorenzo Ruiz dahil sa pananampalataya. When they left the Philippines, they were not able to live through the Manila Bay. Kasi during that time, pinagbawalan sila ng mga Kastila na pumuntang Japan because Christians were being persecuted. So they cannot live through Manila Bay. So naghanap sila ng other route, exit route, going to Japan. Pumunta sila sa Bataan. They exited through Bataan, sa Abukay, Bataan. Kaya Abukay is part of the history of the life of Saint Lorenzo Ruiz. Kasi para hindi sila mapansin ng mga Kastila, from Manila they went to Bataan, and there they exited going to Japan. Yun ang isa. No? Yung pagpupursigin nila. Pagpupursigin nila. Just imagine, yung Manila Bay, talagang bantay sarado. Making sure that no one will leave the Philippines to go to Japan because Christians were being persecuted. Pero nagpursige sila, naghanap ng paraan. No? Kaya ng Kristiyano, no, sa kagipitan, lumalapit sa Diyos at tuturo ng Diyos ang daan. Kaya ang sabi ni Jesus, I am the way, the truth, and the life. Jesus will always find a way. At tulad ni San Lorenzo at mga kasama, they found a way through Abukay, Bataan. No po. At ang pangalawa po ay, although he was wrongly accused, but we can only guess, he saw faith as of much importance. Kasi he left his wife and his children. Although simply, para hindi siya ulihin at ikulong, pero mas mahalaga yung asawa at mga anak. But in this case, he left them and he joined the Dominican missionaries. Yan. We can only guess. But I'm sure na mas pinahalagahan niya yung pananampalataya. Kaya nga, di ba yung kanyang favorite dictum, kasabihan, 1,000 buhay man meron ako, iaalay ko pa rin sa iyo. Even if I have 1,000 lives, still I will offer it to you. Yan. Kaya tulad niya, sana makita din natin yung mga values of much importance. Marami naman pong values sa buhay. Kaya a lot of pinapakalagan sa buhay. Pero mahalaga sa atin yung magkakasunod. Alin pa talagang pinakamahalaga? Kumisan po kasi, tama naman. We give importance to things. Pero yung sense of priority, doon yun yata kumisan tayo nalalabuan. Doon nalalabuan. And we can learn from the martyrs. Marami din silang values eh. Pero pinakita nila kung anong mas mahalaga at pinakamahalaga. Yan, pinakamahalaga. At para sa kanila, pananampalataya. Siguro ito, just for info. When I was in Binondo, a lot of, not a lot, di mga tao, there were some who were writing us letters and sometimes through email asking for relic. Wala naman po talagang relic si San Lorenzo Ruiz. It's because after they were martyred, they were burned and literally reduced to ashes para wala ng trace of Christianity. Kaya matapos silang paslagin, sinunog talaga. At yung abo, ikinalat para walang bakas ng Kristyanismo. And even if you go to Japan, Nagasaki, the place where he was martyred, the place where they were martyred. No, kasi ang Kyushu Island, sa island ng Japan, dyan ang maraming Catholic martyrs. Part of Japan, the Kyushu Island. Yan. It's an island, di ba? Kasama dyan yung Nagasaki. That is where a lot of Catholics were martyred. Even when you visit, if you visit that place, the place where they were martyred, you cannot find any relic. And that's the reason why they were burned, reduced into ashes. Ano po? At ngayong pista ni San Lorenzo Ruiz at mga kasama, no? Kung kinaya ni San Lorenzo Ruiz, isang simpleng tao, dapat masyakayanin po ninyo maging martir. Yan. May iba't ibang paraan ng pagiging martir, di lang pag-aalay ng buhay. Yung inuuna yung mas mahalagang bagay. Pinagpapaliban yung kagustuhan ng sarili para bigyan halaga kung ano ang kalugod-lugod sa Diyos. This rise for the prayers of the faithful.